whatever part of the equation is not functioning. Whatever the error is, we need to undo it. Or whatever's not there, we need to put there. Does that make sense? All right. So when this happens, we call this anaerobic. Put an ana in front, without. This is a negative. You need to write that down if you're a note taker. Ana and negative without. So now what this means is that ana takes this away. And takes this away. It makes it invisible now. So now we're just making ATP, but without oxygen, because we have an ana. Okay? Cool. Any questions about that? Okay, so now when we have this, if this is in process, so now we went from aerobic, the issue happened, whatever the issue was, chopped off hand, you were in a motorcycle accident, whatever the case may be, right? Now we switch from aerobic to anaerobic. So is the body going to function how it's supposed to function? No, right? It's gonna function, but it's barely gonna function. So now when it continues in anaerobic metabolism, we call that hypoperfusion. Okay? Hypoperfusion. I'm gonna put that up here. Okay? So actually, let's do this. I want you guys to write this down. Aerobic metabolism equals aerobic metabolism. Can you see me on there? Perfect.
Oh wait, it has the notification.
Oh, it's fine.
Why does it do that every time?
It's because the battery's going low.
Charge your phone.
I'm bad at that. All right, so aerobic metabolism equals what equation, Samantha? Do you know? No? What equation does it mean?
Oxygen plus glucose equals ATP.
Oxygen plus glucose equals ATP. Also equals perfusion. Not just perfusion, but good perfusion. Normal. So so perfusion, if you want to put perfusion / normal, that means everything's functioning how it's supposed to function, whatever makes you remember. Okay? So these three things mean the same thing. Okay? Aerobic metabolism means that we're making ATP with oxygen in place. And this equation also means perfusion because it's all the same thing, just different ways of saying it. Don't we have different languages? Different words for the same thing? You guys understand what I'm saying? Okay. Now, write this down. Anaerobic metabolism. Foggy, metabolism means what to you?
Huh?
What does metabolism mean to you?
It's like how fast your digestion is.
I'll take that, digestion. That's a process. And that's a process. We're digesting the oxygen to make the ATP. So that's actually a valid answer. I like that. All right. Aerobic metabolism equals the same equation minus oxygen. And we're still making ATP, but just not enough. It's barely enough until maybe you get help. Until somebody comes to help you. Okay, as long as somebody comes to help you and you're doing what you're supposed to be doing for your body, you're not gonna die. All right, so this equation, I mean your patient's not gonna die, that's what I mean. Also equals, what does hypo mean? Slow or low. So if oxygen is not getting there or not getting there in time, it's getting there slow, right? So then if the oxygen is getting there slow, the metabolism for ATP is gonna be slow. Okay, and we call that hypoperfusion, below normal perfusion. The circulation rate is low, slow. Okay? Hypo means low or slow perfusion. Not normal, not good. Death. This equals death. Okay? All right, so one thing, now we're gonna stick with anaerobic. We're sticking with anaerobic metabolism. This is good stuff, though. This is really good stuff. I'm gonna take this off and I'm probably gonna make another one. So I'm gonna save this one